Trevor Licky, this might have been one of your most impossible and greatest challenges you've ever done. Tonight, we're going to draw the Nether Beast. The Nether Beast is one of the spookiest wrestlers in the TWF. He has the power to bring anyone's fears to life. Like, for an instance, he has the power to reveal somebody's conscience, and he can summon spiders. And his worst one of all is the fear toxin that he has in a special glass vial that he douses onto his enemies. I wonder what else he's capable of. I bet he can do scary faces and possibly make you see things that aren't there. I bet he can also summon ghosts. That'd be something. In which case, I think the Nether Beast can have even more powers than just 1 or 3. Anyhow, that's how you draw the Nether Beast. Trevor Licky, I hope you enjoyed this episode.